about to go out on our first trek on the new 2025 Panigale V4. We're doing a stock. Everything's stock other than the steering damper and the battery. Not a huge difference. We haven't been on track in a minute, so we'll see how we feel. See how all this feels. We're in sport mode. We're in the settings that I showed you in a different video where it's just a little bit more spicy. It should be an interesting track day. It's not your typical one. I miss stomp grips. Can't wait to get my stomp grips in. Not the standard people, not a sanctioned day. This is a members only day pretty much. And yeah, so needless to say, we're gonna see what it's all about, get a good feel for everything. Oh yeah, see how the body's feeling because we haven't been out in a long time. Oh, oh man, I know I'm getting up early, but holy crap, that felt effortless. Oh, come on. Yep. Yep. I am over braking everything, but we're just getting the brain right. Oh, that sun on this hill is something else. You're also seeing what gears the bike likes, because I'm used to the R. I'd be in like first and second around a lot of this. Oh my god, these brakes feel fantastic. Yep. Also make sure the track doesn't have any weird bits and bobs of stuff. Alright, man. Oh, I missed the torque way low. That's something. Oh, yep. Again, over slowing, but I don't care. We met our buddy Chris. If you ever watched the Rush video, that is his bike. He rides a beautiful MV Augusta Rush. This thing just is a monster. It just wants more than I'm giving it right now. A lot of tire where I want to go, so that's to note. Alright, we'll just ease on by. Still way over braking everything, but it's alright. I think some of these slower corners you might need to go down to first. You got to be wary of the gotta be ready of the torque down there, because it's more than I'm used to. Alright, so I left in the settings I do because of the rear brake assist that it has. I'm curious to see as I get faster and faster how much intervention I'll feel But right now, god damn, it feels so freaking planted. Like, it just feels so planted. Oop, you're going left. Oh, she's getting happier. She's getting happier. Oh, not warm there yet. I can already feel like I'm leaning way more than I normally would, like off the bat. God, the speed you carry. It's so much different. Oh, yeah. I'll tell you what, this narrow tank, I feel like I can navigate around so much easier than the previous version. Like, noticeably better. You just flow with this bike. You just flow so much better with this bike. I feel like it wants to be between first and second around this track a lot, so we'll try to oblige that. I think we're gonna go in on this. Couple laps. We got all freaking day. All day, so first time back. Not doing anything cray cray, but you basically had the track to ourselves. Okay. Yeah, okay. That's just one good shakedown session just to see what she feels like. And holy crap. We'll catch my breath, have a quick snack, it's cramping up a little bit, and I guess we'll get back out again. Well, my initial impressions after riding a few sessions, unfortunately the last session, camera back there flipped straight up and we got no content. This guy, I'm going to go through the footage and see, but it was against the fairing, but at least it had the other camera to look, so we'll see whatever that is. But a couple things. You notice how narrow the tank is when you're riding. It feels like the actual, like, the 1199, 1299s did, and I love that. It just feels narrow. You got a lot of grip you can put on there, and your knees just dig into this so well. Your legs just lock in. It's fantastic. The way you lean, it's telepathic. It leans so easily. The braking feel is, I mean, on the street felt great. On track, it's even better. With the Öhlins steering damper, I went one more click up, so I think we're like 12 or 13 of 18, so it's a little bit more meant for this type of stuff, but it's also got some slow corners here, so mind the wind, I apologize, but so far this is feeling phenomenal. The quick shifter has been amazing. I know Bellissimoto mentioned that it's slow and changes, and I haven't noticed that at all, so I'm not sure if it's, you know, a random like luck of the draw, your bike just happens to be slow in your shifts, or it doesn't, because
This doesn't feel slow at all. Man, what else can I say? It's been a while since I've hopped on a bike that's just felt super comfortable and just massively confidence inspiring. Like the R I felt fine on, but like it had a little bit of edge to it that made you feel a little uneasy. But the big parting piece to me is how this rear feels. The 1103 has always been a little torquey to me, especially around this track. Like you normally got to be in like first or second gear, so that's a lot of torque, and it can be tricky to manage. And this is the first V4 1103cc Panigale that I don't have a problem coming out of a corner with. It doesn't want to move around or anything crazy. So those are my initial thoughts here after a few laps. We might go out again because why not?